All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. We got something special today. We're gonna do classic car Harley versus C8. We're gonna do a sound comparison. This is gonna be amazing. You guys already know these are all iconic American cars. Everybody loves every single sound. That's why we chase, that's why we work in the garage. This is what we do. So we're gonna do a little sound comparison. Let's get into it. Number one. Go ahead, Frank. All right, now we'll go number two. Your modern sports car, your Corvette C8 Z51. You already know, you've seen that on the channel. Titanium exhaust, let's hear it. All right, now we're gonna go to number three, the iconic Harley Davison. You guys already know, you've seen the channel, so you guys let us know. Let's start it up. All right, guys, you just seen it. Let us know. What do you pick? Modern, Harley Davison, or goddamn the classic with the big block? Let us know. Appreciate you guys. Drop a comment.